Gold should not exist on Earth. Not in jewelry, not in vaults, not buried underground. Because our planet has never had the power to create it. Gold has 79 protons in every atom. After the Big Bang, the universe only had hydrogen and helium. 1 proton, 2 protons. That's it. To build something with 79 protons, you need to force positively charged particles together against immense repulsion. That requires unimaginable pressure and heat. Stars try. Inside stars, hydrogen fuses into helium. Larger stars fuse helium into carbon, oxygen, and heavier elements step by step. But they hit a wall at iron, which has 26 protons. Fusing elements lighter than iron releases energy. Fusing elements heavier than iron consumes energy. Once a star's core fills with iron, fusion stops powering it. And when fusion stops, the star collapses. Even the biggest stars in the universe cannot steadily create gold. The physics simply doesn't allow it. For years, scientists thought supernovas, the explosive deaths of massive stars, were responsible. Supernovas are violent enough to briefly create heavy elements, but the numbers didn't fully add up. There wasn't enough gold in the universe to explain it. Then, in 2017, astronomers detected gravitational waves from 2 neutron stars colliding. Neutron stars are the ultra-dense cores left behind after massive stars die. Imagine compressing the mass of the Sun into a sphere only about 20 kilometers wide. A teaspoon of that material would weigh billions of tons. Now imagine 2 of them spiraling toward each other at incredible speeds. When they collide, the conditions become extreme beyond comprehension. In that instant, atomic nuclei are flooded with neutrons in a process called rapid neutron capture, the R process. Instead of slowly building heavier elements through fusion, atoms absorb neutrons at blistering speeds. Those neutrons then transform into protons, pushing the element higher and higher up the periodic table in seconds. This is where gold is forged, not in calm starlight, but in the catastrophic merger of 2 dead stars. A single neutron star collision can create more gold than the mass of several Earths and blast it across space as debris. Billions of years before our solar system formed, one of these collisions seeded our region of the galaxy with heavy elements. That material later became part of the cloud that collapsed to form the Sun and planets. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth formed as a molten sphere. Heavy elements sank inward. Gold is iron-loving, meaning it bonds with iron. So most of Earth's original gold sank straight to the core. There may be enough gold locked in Earth's core to coat the entire surface in a thick layer, but it's nearly 3,000 kilometers below us, completely unreachable. So why is there any gold in the crust? Because Earth was bombarded. Around 4 billion years ago, during a period of intense asteroid impacts, gold-rich space rocks slammed into our planet. This late delivery added fresh gold after the core had already formed. That spaceborne gold stayed in the crust. Over millions of years, tectonic activity and hot fluids concentrated it into veins that humans eventually discovered and mined. So the gold we use today was not made here. It was forged in a neutron star collision, survived interstellar space, became part of a forming planet, nearly vanished into the core, and was replenished by asteroid impacts. When you hold gold, you're holding matter older than Earth, older than the Sun, a fragment of 2 collapsed stars that destroyed each other in one of the most violent events in the universe. Gold isn't just rare, it's the aftermath of cosmic catastrophe, preserved in metal form billions of years later. If you enjoy this type of content, then feel free to leave a like, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Tell us which video you would love to see next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.